Good day to the mining news on Commodity TV, ladies and gentlemen. The rise in the gold price has begun, and a monthly close above $2,100 would trigger a massive buy signal. Let's see what happens in December. In 2024, we see a price target of $2,430 per ounce as feasible as the 6 months formation from this year will dissolve. The Polish central bank has bought 300 tons of gold in recent years to bring its gold to GDP ratio back on track and in line with the Eurozone average. For medium-sized to large economies in the Eurozone, of which Poland will be one in the future, an equal ratio of this ratio is important in order to be prepared for a maybe or possible switch to a gold standard. Who knows? This would also mean that Poland would have to buy an additional 130 tons of gold. An interesting approach that puts the central bank purchases of the last 18 months in a new light, according to Jan Nieuwenhuis on Gatesville Coins. No wonder GoldMining's share price has been rising for weeks. The company is sitting on over 23 million ounces of gold equivalent, all in the Americas. If you deduct the cash and investments, you get them for around 80 to 100 million Canadian dollars only. The further development of the RIA uranium project in the Western Athabasca Basin in Canada has also just been announced. The RIA project is 75% owned by the company and 25% by Orano Canada. The large land package of approximately 125,300 hectares surrounds Orano's high-grade Dragon Lake deposit on the Maybell River project. World-class uranium deposits located 60 kilometers southeast of the RIA project include Fission Uranium's RRR deposit and NextGen Energy's Arrow deposit, which are currently under development. We see interesting M&A potential here, and the project has so far been valued at zero in the gold mining portfolio. Gold mining is facing a massive revaluation. We put a price target of $2 Canadian dollars 50. Queen's Road Capital Investment entered into an agreement with Gold Royalty, whereby the company will invest $30 million in a convertible debenture of Gold Royalty. The convertible debenture has a term of 5 years, carries a coupon of 10%, of which 7% is payable in cash and 3% is in shares, a 3% setup fee, and is convertible into Gold Royalty common shares at a price of $1.88. Representing a 30% premium to the 20-day volume-weighted average price of Gold Royalty shares prior to this announcement. Gold Royalty is one of the fastest growing precious metals-focused royalty and streaming companies, having aggressively grown its royalty portfolio to over 240 assets in less than 3 years. The majority of Gold Royalty's portfolio is anchored in some of the best mining regions in the world: Quebec, Ontario, and Nevada. The proceeds from the investment in the convertible debenture are expected to be used to fund Gold Royalty's $21 million acquisition of a 2% NSR on the Borborema gold project in Brazil, currently being developed by Aura Minerals, and to fund Gold Royalty's concurrent $10 million gold-linked loan to Aura Minerals subsidiary developing also the Borborema gold project. This investment increases QRC's convertible bond portfolio to $179 million, resulting in an average coupon of 9.2% and record annual interest income of $16.4 million. We see further increases and dividend payments for shareholders. If you are looking for a diversified investment with a current dividend yield of 3% and rising dividend payments in the future, Queen's Road is the right choice. Osisko Development, a high-quality gold developer, announced the start of the first diamond core drilling exploration campaign to test the potential for copper-gold-molybdenum porphyry mineralization in the Big Hill target area. Big Hill is located on the company's 100% owned Tintic project in the historic East Tintic mining district of central Utah in the USA. After obtaining the necessary permits for surface drilling, the company mobilized the diamond core drill rig, which arrived on site on 1st December this year and commenced drilling. Following the surface successes, the company is now exploring at depths to advance into the copper-gold porphyry center and unlock its potential. The first phase of the surface diamond core drilling program consists of 2 holes with a total length of 3,000 meters. The objective of this surface drill program is to test priority targets for a potential porphyry-style copper-gold-molybdenum mineral system responsible for the significant high-grade epithermal gold and silver mineralization and past-producing carbon and silver-lead zinc replacement deposits on the Tintic property. Osisko Development is an absolute buy and the stock is too cheap. The chart has reached a double bottom and we see prices of 7 to 8 Canadian dollars as feasible for 2024. Could be more. You can also find all the information on our Commodity.TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like. And more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the following disclaimer. The shares discussed are or will become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.